built-in Google Maps helps you find public charging stations. Open the Maps app and select the charging icon to locate nearby chargers. When navigating, Google Maps can display the estimated battery charge level at arrival. If more charge is needed to reach a destination, Google Maps may prompt you with charging stations along your route. Can display the minimum charging time required and factor that charging time into the overall trip duration. In certain conditions, when a DC fast charging station is set as a destination, the vehicle may prompt you to begin preconditioning the battery to facilitate faster charging. Note: Google Maps requires an internet connection. See hondahelp.ca for information on connectivity options for your vehicle. You can also find public charging from the Honda Link app. From the app dashboard, select Charge Stations. Select a charging station on the map to show more details. Depending on the charging station, you may be able to view charging levels, availability, pricing, and more. Select Send to Car to send directions to the charging station to your vehicle's touchscreen. To learn more on activating connected services, visit hondahelp.ca.